aventura de hoje? Qual a aventura de hoje?
Seu rio.
Seu rio de quê?
Colchão. Colchão inflável.
Colchão inflável,
Capacetinho.
Você é o bichão, hein?
Capacetinho do pai.
Até já, galera!
É nóis. Bora.
Vamos descer o riozinho, né, Matheus?
Opa.
Tá empolgado?
Oh.
Acompanha aí, vai ser muito massa. Tamo junto.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything.
Só dá profissional aqui, né, Matheus?
Opa.
Long game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
É isso aí, galera.
Eu tô com medo lá pra baixo.
Não, você é burro, cara, que loucura. Como você é burro. Que coisa absurda.
When I'll take a stab, I wanna chase the bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make
from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Pra variar, eu não caio de cair, eu não paro de cair, né? Começou a bater um frio, né?
Want a reality.
Daí, guris, o que acharam?
Top, papai, top.
Quando é que nós volta?
Tive que resgatar o Matheus aqui.
Tamo junto, chegamos no ponto de final. É isso aí. Se curtiu, deixa o seu joinha, seu like e é nóis, tamo junto. Dói, dói.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me.